Not every other crypto looks like this. Not every other crypto has recovered this well or already looks this nice on the charts. What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video is going to be on HBAR. Stick around until the end of the video. I'm going to do a longer term price prediction on HBAR. I am also going to continue to cover and make videos on HBAR because I hold HBAR currently in more than one spot. I have it sitting in a couple different places. So we're hoping HBAR can make some nice moves, and I think it will be able to. And I think you're going to like this video, so click subscribe down here in the corner. You can see down here in the right corner is my logo. It is a watermark. You can click my logo right there and just subscribe pretty easily by clicking my logo, or just click subscribe below. Subscribing is a free way to support my channel. And also you can follow me on Twitter, Norse Digital Assets. We're going to be posting different charts, different screenshots, entry points, exit strategies, etc. So let's get into HBAR. HBAR looks pretty dang healthy. HBAR looks nice. So this is HBAR on the daily time frame. You can see obviously the monster wicks we had from that flash crash, but look at the candle bodies sitting exactly on the 20 EMA. That's just perfect, to be honest with you. As we've come through here, and HBAR's done that more than once, showing its strength here. You know, as we got this bullish cross here on August 5th, and as we've been moving up, anytime we got overextended, like here, you can see we got away from the 20 EMA, we got overextended, we came back down and landed candle bodies. There's some wicks below, but landed candle bodies perfect on the 20. Perfect on the 20. Candles, perfect on the 20. The bodies of the candles, perfect on the 20. So again, HBAR just looks nice. I mean, that's flash crashes for now is over on HBAR. Just two big wicks and looking real healthy on the daily. HBAR looks nice. So let's take a look at HBAR on the 4-hourly. I know it's going to look kind of crazy because of the flash crash. And yes, you can see there's the flash crash right there. But what I do like about this chart a lot, not every other crypto looks like this. Not every other crypto has recovered this well or already looks this nice on the charts. Not at all. I've looked at a number of charts. We have HBAR. What we do like is how we came back up, landed on the 20 on the 4-hourly, and you can see the 20 EMA is starting to curve up and away. The 55 looks somewhat flat, but this 20 EMA is going to look to distance itself from this 55, separate this with some healthy space, something like this right here. We have that healthy space, and we can continue to push forward and upward in price movement. You have to consider there are a lot of coins that sometimes they move and there's nothing you can really tie it to. That's the crazy thing about this market. These charts are awesome guides that really help us, but sometimes like Algorand just explodes out of nowhere. So there's all kinds of things going on in the market right now, but HBAR looks healthy for continuation. It looks good on the 4-hourly. Also down here, the stock RSI, we are coming out of, if you can see right here, you can see my cursor, we're coming out right here on the 4-hourly of some time here where we were possibly oversold, and that's how it was just bought up so quickly. But we're about here now, so we're coming out of some possible oversold conditions on the 4-hourly that we haven't seen that low since back on August 30th and back on the 26th here. And you can see right here on the 26th, obviously, when it did hit at the end of this flat line here, at the end of this oversold area, right when this was oversold, obviously they're one and the same, and it had that nice little movement, got slightly overextended and came back a little bit. But this is just on the 4-hourly, but at any rate, you know, we're looking to reverse momentum here and head up and create a tabletop up here. And let's go back to the daily. I love how the candle bodies are sitting right on the 20. Anybody who's not in this project, right now we're floating up here. But we're looking to get this 20 EMA to start to go more vertical and have sort of a look that looks somewhat like this and starts to gain that movement as we're heading into this bull run. Mid-September, late September, October, we're going to start to see some sparks fly. That's what everyone is waiting for and looking for. So let's get rid of that. But then we're looking to go a little more vertical. For anybody looking to get into HBAR who's not into HBAR, price points to enter on these coins when we're entering a bull run after a bullish cross are always going to be on these EMA lines. They're like magnets. When you get overextended, they pull you back, usually. Sometimes you have coins like Solana that are hard to even chart and they don't make a lot of sense. They look like they should come back to the 20 and they don't. They just take off like a rocket ship. But typically, yes, as you're coming up, you come down to find support on the 20. You come up, you get overextended, find support on the 20, and that's what happens. Flash crash right here is a little different, but man, great recovery by HBAR. Really, really nice. But anybody looking to get in, not financial advice, not telling you to buy or sell, but looking to get into a project, look for over the next couple days when you retrace and you come back towards the 20 EMA, you can set up your own 20 EMA on charts on TradingView, or you can watch. I'm going to keep doing updates. You can also, follow the advice of other channels that also do technical analysis. But yeah, you want to watch out for that and avoid FOMO, avoid chasing coins. So let's take a look. I'm going to do more videos on HBAR, don't worry. But in the meantime, for now, let's just take a look at HBAR's longer term price prediction later in this bull run at the end of October, early November, heading into this bull run. So our all-time high, what we had with HBAR, we were all the way up around 45 cents. Let's stretch out, let's put out a fib on this and see what we get here. Let's set the one right about there. So this is not something that is going to happen overnight. I kind of gave you an idea of the time frame on HBAR, especially if HBAR heats up. But we are looking forward, like many coins, just as kind of a baseline, as a measurement to give you an idea of where a lot of these coins are heading. We are looking to the 1618, which would put you in HBAR, at about 89 cents, all the way up here, which would give you, let's see here. And guys, the 1618 can be conservative. We can hit our head on the 1618 as resistance, come above the 1618, find support, and then start to carry on towards the 2272. We have to wait and see what we have to wait and see what the market is actually doing. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin runs the market. Usually Bitcoin usually makes its runs, and then there's sort of an altcoin season afterwards. But you have to take into account, what are the other altcoins doing? I also like to take a look at the total market cap, a chart that has every crypto combined into one. I like to look at that chart. And I also like to look at the chart that has every coin except Bitcoin. It's all the altcoins combined into one. So we have to see what's going on later in late October, early November. We have to see what other charts are saying, what other coins are doing, what stage the bull run is in. But if HBAR can get explosive like Algorand and it can make those moves up, which I believe HBAR has that, it has that following and that name recognition that I believe HBAR is one of those coins that can do that, just like Algorand. That's when you can find that support on that 1618, start to head north even more, and a 2272, $1.90. So those would be some massive gains. We're talking from where we're at here now. We're talking to the 1618, 180%, up to the 2272, around 480%. And these are sort of rough numbers, but that just gives you an idea of possibly where HBAR is going in the future in this bull run as we heat up, as we break this all-time high, as we find price discovery, as we keep moving up. Right now, HBAR does look healthy. There was already the flash crash. I could see HBAR definitely coming back towards the 20 EMA. If it does, and it wants to find support on the 20 EMA and find support on the 618 here at the same time, that is a good entry point for anyone who is not involved in this project already. You just have to keep watching the charts and pay attention to that. And overall, HBAR looks pretty healthy. There's not a ton to say on HBAR. On the 4-hourly here, if we lose where we're at now, we're all the way up here. But when you lose support, yes, this here is the flash crash. But if you do lose support on these candles as we start to gain on the 4-hourly, when you lose support, you're going to fall back down to previous swing highs. You have this swing high here. You have it here where it was consolidating here. And that's going to be, and it's also this line here, but that's going to be a support line that you're going to find. So either way, that's around 28 cents also. So right now, HBAR looks healthy because the market is recovering as a whole. HBAR has returned to its price before the flash crash. HBAR is looking nice. I know we were up, so on the 4-hourly at one point, 33, 34 cents. We're real close. There's coins that have even come close to recovering like HBAR. So very good sign to see. I'm going to keep covering HBAR moving forward in the future. That's going to be it for this video today, guys. And click subscribe below. I'm going to be picking 25 random people also. And as this channel hits milestones, 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, we are going to reward those original 25 that typed in the comment section below, I subscribed, and you'll be rewarded in the future. So click here, click my logo, click subscribe, support the channel for free, guys. And that's going to be it for this video. We will see ya next time. See ya.